Girl, your outfit is amazing. Love the freaking corset hack. The hair is adorable. Slay. The earrings are yes. I actually have them in real life, which is funny. But this is such a cute fit. Small one, yeah. Sadly, I'm a small one. I don't mind though. Dude, yeah, I do have 322 subscribers, but that's amazing running into them. What? You only have three. Yeah. I really like the one about the carrot trap. I literally get them like daily. It's not even funny. I need to carry this. Oh, outfit change. Oh. Let's see your little. Oh, that's pretty. Little different lights, a little boba tea. Nice little badges. A royal puppy, that's adorable. I'm not gonna go through all of it. I don't mind, by the way. Okay, good. Alright. This is just dude. This just made my day. Oh my gosh, I got a big grin on my face. For those who were asking, I'm sorry about that. I needed to say it. My bad. But I literally have like a giant grin on my face. Girl, you can do it. You can do it easy if you believe in yourself. It takes time, yes, but you'll be able to do it. Also, I'm ticking. My little belt is ticking. Yay! I mean, I don't mind if my subscribers sub to you because I literally have your channel like listed in my about thing or something, but I will do a post listing your channel link. I find it funny though that I'm in a vid call and then all of a sudden they're just like, "Hey, user," and I'm just like, "That killed me! Oh my gosh! I can't stop smiling." Girl, you killed me. Mm. Or in the next thing. Well, I'm glad I can be your first YouTuber that you've met. Cause I mean, I'd like to meet other big YouTubers, but yeah. But that should. I can't. My cheeks are gonna start hurting after I'm done with this video. Oh my gosh. Bro, this is making my week. Oh, I'm emotionally dying. I'm okay. Girl, I'm gonna just add you real quick. I'm gonna just add you. You seem way too nice. It just. Yes. Okay. Exhibit. I'm sorry, but you saying exhibit was funny instead of separate. It's annoying though, the thing I'm recording with does not like Discord picking up, and it's just like, you liked it before, but now you just don't. It's dying. But honestly, once I get like being more in the thousands, and if I get started more Robux coming in, I will start donating the Robux. Or possibly turning them into money and starting to donate, because I do like charity events, yes. Would I participate and donate money if I had the money? Yes. But sadly, I do not. I'm like on the bridge of boredom. Yeah, because like when the fundraiser was going for the what was it, the goddess set? Yeah. Wait, what were you talking about? Rip. Aww. Dang. But yeah, all my sub to my sibling. He needs hope. But yeah, I like during this fundraiser, I did want to buy a lot more, but with it being so much Robux and so much money, it was so hard for me to do. How much? What do I have right now? Robux or diamonds? I have 1 mil.9. Yeah, not bad, not bad. I am gonna. Oh. I thought you were gonna hang on to it. Or at least it's for Halo fun, but when I can't click the accept key, hold up. I have to move my. Now I can accept it. Because the recording thing was just like Roblox seat captures, and I'm just like, I can't hit it. It's cool you can see that, but yeah. Woo. Pat, pat, pat. Mm. I honestly would start a GoFundMe, but I don't know how to do that, nor do I know what to do with the money and stuff. Weird. Uh, I didn't hit anything. I literally hit accept, and it was recorded that I hit accept. Like, this is a 10-minute video right now, that's weird. But, yeah. We're doing Halo funds because I'm getting a Halo and then I'm gonna help you get a Halo. And then after you get your Halo, I'm gonna start giving out diamonds, like, with whatever we have left. And whatever I earn. Oh no.